This is Dan. Dan has arrived at the window cleaning warehouse for his water-fed system installation. First he checks in, discusses the layout and confirms the spec with our expert fitters. Once the plan is approved, Dan receives his breakfast voucher, complimentary of course. Whilst the team are giving Dan's van a facelift, Dan is enjoying his free breakfast. Dan has finished his breakfast. He can now use the customer lounge to get his work done using the free Wi-Fi. Make a coffee using our free coffee machine, or catch up on his favourite TV shows with our free TV. Even the toilet's free. Dan's took a break from the complimentary amenities. He's now welcome to take a look through the free viewing gallery to check the progress on his van. Before Dan leaves, he visits the shop and picks up any other items he might need. Ooh, razor wash, good choice. Dan's installation is now complete. This includes a handover from our expert fitter and a walkthrough of the system and a shiny certificate.